Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add Google Calendar to iPhone. Tap on settings, search for calendar. Once you get it, tap on that. Tap on accounts. And here you'll need to add your Gmail account. To do that, tap on add account. Select Google. Continue. And all you have to need, enter the email address of your Gmail account and password and add your Gmail account here. Once your account added, tap on Gmail. And here, make sure to toggle on calendar. And now open your calendar. Tap on calendars. And check your Gmail address from here. And that's how we can add Google Calendar to iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.